May entry tas Icy Star Magical Christmas 2024 na uited. Pero masaya deep inside, just like me. May entrata dazzles in her eyes fairy-themed ensemble for the white carpet of Star Magical Christmas 2024 na party, held on November 24, 2024, at Soler Resort North in Quezon City. Count on May entrata to consistently deliver top-tier fashion looks at every red carpet event. This time, she did it again at Star Magical Christmas 2024's white carpet. May was one of the celebrities gracing the third edition of Star Magic's annual Christmas celebration, which took place on November 24, 2024, at Soler Resort North in Quezon City. The Ama Cabogera singer lived up to her being a Cabogera in a stunning periwinkle blue serpentine dress designed by fashion designer Erin Montoya. May's look for the party was expertly styled by Rain Dagala and Emulan. In an Instagram post after the event, May mentioned that her Ice-inspired outfit was a tribute to those experiencing a chilly Christmas just like her. In her words, "Look inspired by Ice, dedicated para sa mga malamig ang Pasko, pero masaya deep inside just like me." May entrata, Ice Fairy at Star Magical Christmas 2024. In an exclusive interview revealed more details about his design for May in collaboration with Rain. The latter wanted runway vibes with frosty elegance, and Erin picked one of the dresses from his Fusarium Spring-Summer 2024 na collection. Erin told Pep, "It was a collaboration with stylist Rain Dagala. Rain and I wanted something more red carpet look for her. She was wearing an archive piece from our Fusarium EHRRAN Montoya SS24 collection. A periwinkle blue serpentine gown with slit-in halter deep neckline with standing collar, adorned with 3D layers of embroidered butterfly wings over sparkly ba." May entrata, Star Magical Christmas 2024. Erin also shared that the inspiration for May's beauty look was drawn from the innovative styles of a French luxury brand. The designer said, "The main inspo for her makeup look is from SCHIAPPARELLISS24 makeup with frosted ears statement to match with the main gown, making her look as a nice fairy, in a more serious." May's stunning beauty look for the event was expertly crafted by Owen Sarmiento, while her hair was styled elegantly by Gia Gorgeous.